My face. So I have nothing on my lips. But I was just eating my dinner. I know it's early, but I was eating my dinner. It's like 5 something. During the quarantine, I've been eating earlier. And then we'll come back late for like dessert or something, or come back later and eat. I don't know. We don't eat dinner again, but this is the day before we go down to. I can't believe I just did that. I'm gonna have to bleep that out. This is the day before we go down to the other house. We still have this house, as you're going to see in the videos. But I cannot believe I did it. I was just used to just saying it. And I cannot believe I did that. Today is All-Star. Well, this is All-Star weekend. Today's Saturday. Let me. Where'd it go? I dropped my eyelash and I don't know where it went. I was gonna make a wish on camera. Okay, well, I don't know where my eyelash went. But still, I was just gonna say that I got my laptop back. I'm gonna put little videos I made from in there. It's not like videos really, but it's like little boomerangs, but a Snapchat version of boomerang. Cause I use Snapchat like all the time, but I don't post on there really. Like I use Snapchat all the time. Like I get on there like every day. I just don't post. Right now I'm just getting caught up on YouTube videos that were just posted. Not my own, but like other people that I subscribe to. Hey guys, so eating some breakfast before we go down the road. We're all cleaned up, the car is packed. I haven't seen it yet, but I heard that it's really packed up. I'm not gonna even get into that, but eating some breakfast, then we're gonna use the bathroom. TMI, I know. But yeah, we're all showered up and cleaned up. So I'll vlog when we get in the car and head down there. On top. So the King's Green sign right there too. So we finally made to the rest area. I gotta use the bathroom really bad. And okay. So we're going in there. Now we're headed back down the road. That didn't take that long. But we're headed back. And I'll see you in a little bit. About to go to the range. So I'm gonna record my reaction here. Yes! Yes! I know. 2 hours. I know. About to come from under the bridge. I mean, tunnel. See the light? I'll be out of here. I'm just tired. Still looks nice. I don't know when the house being that color. Maybe I'm not used to the sunlight. Yep, I still see the ghetto stuff in the windows. We finally made it. Yep, I just got a notification that we're here. Yeah. You don't really go anywhere.
but the red separated.
It did?
Yeah. See how it opened up? It was all red, just like this.
Where?
You see the tip hit?
Oh, right there?
Yeah. But it didn't go down. But of course, when you step on it, you're gonna probably sink.
Mm-hmm.
Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, among all those white roots, so come along and take my hand.
We completed our project. Yeah. Completed. Going for our walk to the pier, but let me here. And I'll show the view in a little bit. Maybe like 1 second for y'all, but yeah. Whoa. Oh, this is sand.
Nah, you ain't going this way. It's like somebody been dumping.
Yeah, there's a brick in there.
Yeah, you're going this way.
Man. It just had to be something we just walk through. I mean, walk like the little edge with and or stick our feet in the water. What?
It's better
When we first came down here,
it didn't look like this.
No.
it didn't look anything like this. Super tiny.
Okay.
You stood right in the way, Mom.
Oh, sorry. How about what you're doing?
I think you saw with the camera.
You always have a camera.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and if you want, you can share the video. You should do that like I do. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching my channel.